we're going to be making face scrubbies. I made mine in 100% cotton yarn and made completely out of half double crochets, so it makes it super easy for those beginners that are just starting out. The materials we are going to be using today is 100% cotton worsted weight yarn. I used mine in a gray and a multi-pink color, but you can use whatever color you have on hand. We are also going to be needing a 6mm crochet hook. You can use whatever kind of crochet hook you have on hand, but you will be needing a 6mm. And you will be needing a tapestry needle to weave in all those ends when you finish off. And of course, a pair of scissors. We're going to be starting out with a magic loop or magic circle or magic ring, whatever you call it. And I just wrap it around my fingers twice and pull the bottom loop over the top loop twice and tighten with my tail. But you can do it whatever's easiest for you. We're going to pull up a loop in our magic circle, and then we are going to chain one. We are going to be working 10 half double crochets into the magic circle. To do a half double crochet, you yarn over, put your hook into the loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. We are going to be working 10 half double crochets into the magic circle. We are going to pull our magic loop circle tight with our tail and then slip stitch to the very first half double crochet. We are going to go into the first half double crochet you made into the magic circle. Next, for our second round, we are going to chain one and work into the very same stitch you slip stitch into. And we are going to be working 2 half double crochets into that very stitch. We are going to work 2 half double crochets in every single half double crochet around your work. So by the end of this round, you will have 20 half double crochets. When you get to the end of the round, you are just going to be putting a slip stitch right into that very first half double crochet you made. And we're going to be switching our color, so you can snip off that gray yarn, leaving a generous tail so that you can weave it into your project. I'm going to be switching to my multicolored pink color. So how you do that is you're just going to take your yarn, loop it over your crochet hook, and chain one with it. And make sure you pull the other yarn tight so it's not loose. We're just going to be working into the same stitch you slip stitched into, and we are going to make 1 half double crochet into that very first stitch. I'm going to be half double crocheting over my tail ends. In the next stitch, you're going to put 2 half double crochets, and that will be our repeat for this round. We're going to do 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, then 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. You're just going to repeat that all the way around. At the end of the round, you're going to slip stitch to your first half double crochet, and then you can snip your yarn and yarn over and fasten off. Now we are going to be weaving in those ends. If you wanted to add a handle for your face scrubby, you can just slip stitch to a stitch, chain like 5, and then slip stitch back into that stitch, and that will make you a really cute handle so you can hang them up. I made 2 of these beautiful face scrubbies, but they are so quick and easy to make. They take like 10-20 minutes to make, and they're super easy. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to subscribe.